Ladies and gentlemen, young Europeans, Europe is home of the risk takers, innovators, and leaders who push the boundaries of what's possible. From Spotify to Mistral, from Lufthansa to Ferrari, European companies and European innovation are leading the way and changing the game. But maintaining this success takes work. As the world around us becomes more competitive and the AI revolution gathers pace, Europe needs to champion the changemakers of tomorrow. This means we will all need to step up and support young entrepreneurs in clear and tangible ways. Today's festival is just one example of how junior achievement is helping to make that ambition a reality, bringing together the generation that will shape our shared future. I know that one day you will look back on this experience with fondness, and you will reflect on how it helped you develop the tools that will make a difference in your future careers, from time management to problem solving. Building your digital and business expertise, making lasting friendships, and developing the networks you'll need to trace your path forward to success. But this festival is about more than just strengthening skill sets. It's about considering the kind of future we want to build for ourselves, our communities, and our shared continent. Because only by moving forward together can we build a safer, fairer, and more prosperous home for Europeans everywhere, rising above the rest to lead the world in competitiveness and innovation.